Welcome back to another video. Today we're visiting two different Home Depots. We have a huge clearance selection in the second Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Quick note to review this. It's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. See what we find. First thing is this rigid Vacs. They're on sale. They do come with the kit. So all these attachments, a bag of filter for $99.97. It is a 14-gallon 6 horsepower vacuum. Then you got the Makita rear handle, $249. You get 2 batteries to charge in a bag, I believe, and you do get 2 free extra batteries, 5.0 amp hour batteries for $249. Either you could get the rear handle or the top handle. Still available. So $149 for this hammer drill. It's one of the better ones. It's the 14, and then this is the impact driver, the 14-2, $129. So you guys see there, it's the 3-speed. You got the jigsaw, $159. That's the compact, I believe. Got the oscillator, $129. You got the router, $129. You got the 2-pack of filters, $27.97 from Rigid. You got the crown stapler, $49.88. It's a 3/8, 18 bolt plus 1 or 1 plus. So if you guys are on the battery platform, $39.97 for the inflator deflator from Joby, 18 bolt plus 1. So I believe in this one you can set the PSI and walk away. $179 brushless 2-tool combo kit, 18 volts with a 2 amp hour kit. This is the new presentation, the new rigid that they're, the new tools basically. $199 for the string trimmer with the battery and a charger. As you guys see here, there's plenty of them. And yes, there's no more free batteries here, or free batteries with the tool. So all we do have is this. Got some bits there for $12.97. Countersink for $19.97, and then you got that 3-piece combo kit there. It's really nice. You got a 6 and a 4 amp hour. I believe those are the new batteries, the new cells. Let me know down in the comment section if these are the new 21700 cells. I believe they are, because they look a little bigger. So $3.99 for the 3-tool combo kit. It does include that big high torque impact wrench with the impact driver and drill driver. Made in the USA. I believe 2 batteries, a charge in a bag. Made in the USA. So, and then you got some over here. $179 for the pneumatic coil roofing nailer, 1 3/4. They got plenty of them here, so you guys see. Roofing nailers. Then to the left we got the impact driver drill driver combo, 2 batteries, a charger in a bag. With brushless motors, Makita, $279 with 2 4 amp hour batteries. Then we got this awesome deal, guys. This is probably one of the better deals. You buy any of the tools on the left, you get a 2 amp hour battery for free. You got the radio, you got the hacksaw kit, you got the installation driver, impact driver, drill driver kit. You got the ratchet. So all those tools are on the bottom. And surprisingly, on this Home Depot, all those tools are most of those tools are in stock. You guys see the ratchet there for $149. Yeah, the ratchet. I believe the speaker wasn't there. Not that I saw it. We got the hatchet there. We got the installation driver. Yeah, the hacksaw. I call it the hatchet, but it's the hacksaw. And then we got this one on clearance. This, I believe, is an oscillating tool, like a Job Max multi-tool head. $126. Then these are the new deals apparently from Milwaukee. So this one you get a hacksaw, or one-handed reciprocating saw and an impact driver. And then on this one you get a 3-tool combo kit, impact driver, drill driver, and angle grinder for $3.99 with 2 batteries. Then on the bottom one, I believe they're brushed tools. So just keep that in mind when you're buying these kits, that the bottom one, the $5.99, there might be a lot of tools in there, but they're all brushed. Most of them are brushed, by the way. Got the angle grinders here, $159 with the X-Lock, $179, and then $89 with the corded. So just keep that in mind. The cheap one is the corded one. Then this thing's a beast. I've seen it before, but it just catches my attention every time I see it. This saw, this cut-off saw is huge, and that's one of the blades I guess that goes on it. Maybe a bigger one, I don't know. Never used it, but I just seeing those things just catches my attention. These are one of the newer deals that they're going on. So you got 2 6s there for $219. You got one, I believe, a 5 for $139. Impact driver, drill driver for $199. And then you got all the nailers here that we'll see that at the second store. We'll go into a little bit more detail on the second store on those deals. So those are the 2 6s for $219. I believe that's not the best deal, guys, tell you the truth. Later on this month, I believe, or the beginning of this month, we're going to have the 2 6s, a charge in the bag, and a free tool. So the starter kit and a free tool, those should be starting at the end of this month or at the beginning of this next month. So I'm not sure yet, so I would definitely wait for that sale to come up. You got that turbo fan or whatever you want to call it. Supposedly this thing's a beast. So, and then this one is the one that I have, the black one there. That one's a good bedroom. It's kind of loud, but it's quiet. It's meant for the inside. The Cyclone I definitely recommend over all these. And then you got this 40 volt. Yeah, guys. Jeff Ostroff, you guys check out his channel. He got this mower with the 7.5 amp hour batteries for $125, $124. I don't know how he did that. He was just lucky, I guess, because I've been looking everywhere for that mower and not able to find any mowers. That probably was just the old one, because this one's the new one. This one has the 2 6s. The one that he got, had the 7.5 amp hour batteries. This is the electrosonic sprayer, $299. I think it's a little too expensive, but you know what? If you're on the trades, or if you're on the, if you have a business, then obviously $300 it's a well invested. But I would definitely go for at least a sprayer if you're gonna be spraying stuff. These are all the brushes from the brushed Ryobi brush power brusher, whatever you want to call it. That's the soft one. The blue one's the soft one. This one's the most hard brush here. This one's like a heavy duty type. They're both the same price. And that's the power brush thing. That's the longer one. A little pricey, tell the truth. You could probably go online and get yourself one of those brushes. I've done reviews about those before, so if you guys want to head to my channel, I believe it's called power brush or something like that, power drill brush, and you guys could pick those up and just stick them on your drill. $149 for that backpack sprayer. I do have the older version of that. It works really good. I gotta get another one, by the way, because mine's already getting really old and I need it for work. 18 subcompact flashlight, $36. It's on clearance, so we got a big clearance section here. Most of it's not tools, tell you the truth, but there's a lot to cover. $88 for the XDT 15, which is the subcompact, the black ones, the smaller one. Then we got the circular saw, the circ saw for $129. It's a 7 1/4. I believe it is corded. So as you guys see there, and this is the second store we went to. So you guys did see Milwaukee representative is here. Actually, a few of them are here, not just one, like 3 or 4. Some were in the tools, in the outdoor power equipment. Some were in the power tools section. Got the subcompact there kit, $199 impact driver, drill driver, and then this Home Depot was empty on this deal here. The rear handle reciprocating or circular saw. And then this is what I came for here, which I forgot on the other store. I came for this vacuum. This is awesome deal here, $99.90. I know we've seen this deal for on the Black Friday for like as low as like $40 or $50. But whenever you need it for work, you gotta pick it up. That you got no choice. $47.97 for these blades. Definitely recommend these blades, guys. They're on sale. If you own like if you have a business and you use these blades a lot, I would just definitely stock up when they're on sale. $12.97 for the 75 pack. It's not the lowest. We seen them lower than this, but you know what? I guess it's an okay deal for around this time. And you got the the Diablo blades, reciprocating saw blades, $9.97, pack of 2, 9-inch. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of stuff. You know, I did see another sale at the other Home Depot about those reciprocating saw blades. I think I saw them cheaper or a little bit more expensive, but they included, like, I don't know if they were 10 or 5 around there. These are the new deals from Rigid, or the new tools, the new whatever you want to call it. So $249 impact driver, drill driver. That is the hammer drill, and you got 2 batteries to charge on the bag, and then $399 for the 4-tool combo kit with the reciprocating saw and I believe an oscillating tool. $79 for a battery. That's a regular drill driver for $99. I believe it comes with a 2. That's the hammer drill impact driver with 2 batteries, $249. So you guys see there, 18-volt brushless. And then you got the 4-piece combo kit that I was telling you guys that I believe includes the reciprocating saw and the multi-tool. Yep. And the hammer drill. So, and those are the batteries. It's a 4 amp hour battery. And like I said, no more octane. These are the new ones, I guess. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys like the new ones or if you guys like the octane, because I heard the octanes are pretty good. So this is the big clearance section from this store. This store always has a big clearance section. Got the Echo attachment there. No price on this thing. So I just, you know, if you guys want to look at it on your store, maybe. Same thing with this. I did not see a price. I flipped it over and there's no price, but I put the item number there on the screen so you guys would see it. But yeah, this is a really nice drill impact driver. It's a brushless. It's a P238, I believe. So it is a brushless impact driver. You got another attachment there for $22.97. Maybe it's the same one as the other side. $129 for the reel mower, the classic reel mower. Now you got this. I believe it's a string trimmer edger combo kit. So there's the item number if you guys want to check it out. That's the item number written on marker there. So $99 on the Ryobi brushless trimmer was $169. I believe it does come with the battery. Should come with, yeah, it says 4 amp hour battery, I think. And then this, we got a whole bunch of bits from Milwaukee. Shockwave. Definitely check them out if you're on the market for these. You know, they're on clearance, so definitely check it out. And then you got the pack out here, $129. I guess it's a sale or whatever they want to call it. Not really a sale, but you know, there you have it out there. Maybe they're gonna have a good sale coming up. So $169 for the small one, $129 for the rolling toolbox, and then $79 for the medium box or the large box, whatever you want to call it. And then we got the rigid power heads from the Job Max. Remember, guys, these fit the Ryobi one. So Ryobi and rigid, they're the same thing. It does fit either or. And then $139 for the combo kit, rigid combo kit, tool, and they didn't have any there. And this is another section. Oh, this is the section with the nail guns. So we got the framing nailer there for $349. That's a 2744-20, I believe. So it was a 3.5, up to 3.5 framing. Yeah, it's a 3.5. And then that's the 18 gauge brand nailer for $279. And that's the 5 amp hour starter kit, $169. Battery and charger. I don't know if they're gonna have a deal. Maybe you buy a nailer, you get that for free, or the other way around. You got the oscillating tool. This is the new one. This is the fuel, $229. The multi-tool. It's a little expensive. And then you got the jigsaw there, $199. Tool only. The fuel jigsaw. And then you got the circ saw. This is the rear handle. This thing's a beast, guys. I talked to my neighbor. He does framing construction. He says DeWalt and Milwaukee rear handles, they're more powerful than the Makita ones. Makitas are still a beast because it's a 36 volt, but these are even more powerful. You got the mounting plate here from the pack out, $29.97. As you guys see, it's actually kind of long video if you guys don't mind. 15-inch pack out tool bag, $49.97. Then you got the dolly there. $89. Remember, guys, we did that sale. I don't know if it was Napa or another store, but they were for $54. Those dollies. So you got the pack outs box there, $79. You got the milk crate, $39.97. You know what? I thought I wasn't gonna use the milk crate, but after I started using them, it's probably the most pack out I use. First, I didn't want to get it. I was gonna return it, but you know what? After I used it, that's the most pack out item I use. Basically, $29 for the compact organizer. That's the small one. You got the low profile organizer, $39.98. And then this is the large toolbox, $79, $79.97. Yeah, guys, wait for a sale on these. I wouldn't buy just like that. I would definitely wait for a sale. Same thing with the DeWalt's. They usually have a sale. They should have a sale coming up, Father's Day maybe. This is the 2.0 for $65. Still a great deal because obviously DeWalt's good quality. Same thing with Milwaukee, is great quality, but I would definitely wait for a sale. And then we got the rigid big metal boxes here. No prices on those. So those are nice boxes to have in the truck. Then these were the rolling boxes from DeWalt. So really nice. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to share this with you guys. 2 different stores for you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.